Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing about this platform called Bonjoro, and this is the best revenue and relationship grower for businesses. So if you run a business, this is going to be a booster for your business. And before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on the site. Make sure to check that out. Now we are on its dashboard. Here you can see the quick start guide. We will be able to see our progress in here and simply monitor every single thing that we do on this site. If we simply head over to the left side of our screen, you can see the request section. And below that we have other options. Now in the request, you can see this is basically our main page from where you can simply create or invite respondents to submit testimonials. Now testimonials are a big part of business. If you are trying to collect some original reviews from your past customers or clients, then this could be really essential. Below that you can see upload existing testimonial option. You can simply head over to that and upload a testimonial for yourself. Also we have manage and tagging and create your first wall of love. It is basically compilation of your testimonials and embedded them anywhere on your website, so it is going to be providing you amazing services for your testimonials. Now this is basically based on your testimonial services that you are going to be adding in here. So I hope this helps, guys. And if you want to simply have some adjustments on the site or simply add your data, you can head over to the settings as well, which is really nicely created by the site. So yeah, that is the overall overview of the site for your business. So if you want to create something amazing for your business, make sure to try out Bonjoro. This is the best automated interactive AI based software that you can use. So yeah, make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial on the site and exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.